Hello, welcome back to my channel, Maison Network. And today I just bought this new interesting door or cupboard drawer safety lock. Yeah, in Shopee. It's just Ringgit 1.67. So here's the description about it. Okay, look at the picture. Okay, Ringgit 1.67, and then here's the description. Okay, alright, if you're interested, the link will be below the video. I will put a link. So let's try. So here's the unbox. It's like this. So there's two. I want to use it for this cupboard, kitchen cupboard. It's already loose. So this is a glass, and this is the wood. So I'm not sure whether it can be okay with the glass and the wood. So let's try. So they have this 3M foam here. So let's assemble first. Like that. So just push. Okay. Right. Then first of all, let's clean up. Okay. Now open the sticker. And let's try. Oh, it's very sticky for the wood. Yep. It doesn't move. Means it's good for the glass and also for the wood. This is from IKEA. This product. So it's already. So it looks like that. Already been glue. So let's try. Just open this. Yay! It works. And then can I just push clip? No, have to manually push. Okay. So the product only Ringgit 1.67, but it works. So if you like, the product will be if you want to purchase, the product will be below, the link will be below the video. Alright, thank you for watching.